Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how I fixed my humidifier. This one over here.
So I have a couple of these humidifiers that I bought from Amazon, and they worked pretty well for a good year or so, and one of them suddenly just stopped creating mist. So I had to figure out what's wrong with it, obviously, and I found out the motor, the blower motor, was not working. How did I know that? So I filled it up with water. I opened this one up. I put some water here in the bin, and then I closed it, turned it on, and then removed the cover again. So what I saw was there was mist just here, which means it's not going up through the cover. Alright, so that tells me that the condenser is working, but it's just that the air is not getting blown up to the cover. Alright, so I took it out. In this case, there are 4 screws when you remove this, and then once you remove that, you should be able to somehow remove this little fan right here. Okay. Just get this thing to focus. Yeah. Well, anyway, it's this little fan right here. So now, just to make sure, well, I need to test the fan. I need to test the circuit breaker, the circuit board inside this. Okay, so basically, turn this over, take out this rubber pads, and you should see Phillips screws there. So let's take them off. Some of them can be quite tough to remove. Okay, my grips for some reasons just not strong enough to turn this thing. So let's see. Use some leverage there. Why is this giving me a hard time? I don't know. allergies are killing me right now. Okay, that's turning. More. Tank, man. Just hard to move. Okay. So let me take this off. The old motor was sitting right here, right? So it's blowing off. Should blow off air upwards to the cover. So I've plugged this in, tested the voltage coming out of these two ports over here where the fan was plugged in. So if you could imagine, this was plugged in here. I took it out, plugged this in, put a voltmeter there, and I tested some voltage coming out. So I know this board is working. Okay, and one way to test the fan is to get a 9-volt battery. Put 2 wires here, and then put the bare wires on the battery, and this should spin. Okay. So here's a sample. Okay, so I'm going to put black on black. And white on red. Put that in. Okay. The other end. Okay. It doesn't really matter to just spin backwards if it's inverse, but you want it to spin, which it doesn't. As you can see, it's not spinning at all. Okay. So about the same spec motor from Amazon, or anyway, you can find it online, doesn't matter, as long as it's the same spec. So I guess we can test this out. It's red and white. Black in there. Okay. And ideally this should spin. There you go. You can hear it spinning. So I know it's working. So I'm gonna plug this back in there, and then I'll let you know. So as you're putting the fan back, you just want to make sure that the the exhaust part, or where the air comes out, goes directly where it should be. Okay, so that's how it looks like. I'm just gonna secure back the car. Now, as much as I am tempted to use power tools, I won't, just because this is plastic and I don't want to make things worse than it is. Or maybe break any of the threads. I'm just gonna be patient and use my raw power. So screw this all back. Okay, seems secure there. Let's see this puppy here. This guy doesn't want to cooperate. I feel like it's always easier to disassemble than assemble back. Everything. The cars especially. Doesn't feel right. Yeah, seems secure. Now it's time to put water and test it out. Okay, putting the rubber pads back as well. Okay, it's on, but there's no mist coming out, and so I think problem is see, there's no mist coming out. The mist is still there at the bottom, so the fan isn't working, and I think I know what's wrong with it. The polarity. I've read that some of the fans have a reverse polarity, so I need to swap the red and the black cable. So I'll need to open it up back, and hopefully that'll fix it. Okay, so here it is again. So as you can see here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap the positions of these cables. I'm going to try to take those pin out and just basically swap positions, basically reversing their polarity. So what I did here is I reversed the polarity on the fan, so now it's spinning. It's a bit dark, so you can see the mist is still there. Once I blow that out. This should work. I'm gonna put this back in again. Okay, so what I did was, this is the old motor. I cut the cable out to get the old connector, which is right here. And I made a splice. And then wired it so that this fan will spin while it's turned on, and put an electrical tape on it. Now I know for sure it works. I'm just gonna have to put it back. Okay. Now it's all nice and neat in there. And I've put some water in it. Let's see if it works. Yeah. Can you see the mist? Yeah. Mist is back. Look at that mist. Beautiful mist coming out. Now I must say, the fan is just a tad bit louder than the original. I was trying to find the original manufacturer, but I couldn't find anything online, so I just looked for one that has the same rating, but probably not the same noise. Anyway, important thing is that it works, and you know, the sound isn't too bad. I guess it's a bit of white noise, so it may actually help you to sleep. Alright, well, I hope that helps you. Bye.